they have that project. They are releasing that research for us to do more. So once you do try chat GPT, so it's going to open up for you to log in. And once you are logged in, you put in your email address, and you will be prompted to select to just verify. So which are the bridges? I can see one bridge, two bridge. Okay, these are the only bridges I've seen. Then you continue. Once you continue, you just put in your password. And once you put in your password, you are good to go. It's going to open up for you to go in. And once you are in, it's like this. This is how it looks like. And you get opportunity to do this. So this is how the interface looks like. So it has examples, capabilities, limitations. Sometimes they tell you that it may give you incorrect information. So the interface is here. We have the clear conversation. If you have some things that you've done here, you may not have anything here because you've not started yet. You have dark mode. I don't like dark mode. I like the light mode. You have OpenAI Discord. So that's their Discord channel that you can reach out to them. But then this is where the magic happens. So whatever you want in this world and you input it here, is going to give you an idea of that. So let me say I want to perform mathematical computations. I do 10 plus 10. So, and I just key in 10 plus 10. It's going to give me the answer, right? The sum of 10 and 10 is 20. So this is basic, right? You may say, okay, so why am I here to do 10 plus 10? Anybody can do it. I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber, and I do a lot of content in social media. So let's assume that I want to learn about even social media, right? I can say 10 tips. Give me 10 tips about social media. Give me 10 social media tips. So you click on it, enter. Sure, here are 10 social media tips that you may find helpful. So you see, just giving you the social media tips. Number one, so this was my first listing. Let me just take so let me go back. Give me 10 social media tips. 10 social media tips. So just click enter. So it's going to give you 10 social media tips that you can use to create engaging content. And you can reshare this on your blog, on your whatever, and it's good to go. You are good to go. So it gives you that. And this is the power of the new tech, the new evolution we are talking about, because it gives you all what you need to be able to create the opportunities that you might not have been able to create if you're a content creator. So it has given me this. Let's read through. Number one, set clear goals for your social media presence. Number two, develop a content strategy that aligns with your goals. Number three, engage with your audience. Number four, use hashtags. Number five, and if you are a content creator, you know that this is just right. Spot on. So this is it. And I think you will be able to judge for yourself. So let's do more calculations, more things. You can use this to do like HTTP, JavaScript. You can use this to do coding. You can use this platform to do a lot of things. I don't even know the limitations of this particular project. So let's talk about, maybe I want to write a resume. I can just put in write a resume, write a CV for accounting job. So you can write a CV for accounting job. You click on it, and here's an example CV of an accounting job. You see, the CV is writing, it's giving you the objectives, seeking a challenge. So this is it. This is just it. It's writing a complete CV, new, free, for me to be able to use. You see, it like this is pure magic. This is pure class. I don't know the words to use to describe this. It's just writing the CV, how CV format is. Certified public accountant references available upon request. Note, this is just an example and should be tailored to your specific experience and qualifications. So this is a notice giving you. So be sure to proofread your CV before submitting it. So it has given you a simple CV that you can just use this format and create your own, restructure the information, and boom, you are good to go. So this is a CV of an accounting job, right? So you can do a lot of things with this particular software or project. Let's write a cover letter. Cover letter for a manager position. So write a cover letter for, right, and it's writing a beautiful cover letter. It's writing a beautiful cover letter that can be used. So you can see, nice cover letter that is writing. Wow. 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 Very beautiful cover letter. So dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the manager position at, and with years of experience in management and a track record of leading teams to success. So this is a complete cover letter. It has just written for you. All you need to do is to re-edit the names and send it. And it's a complete one. It's a complete project. So let's go to the next one. So my name is Ibrahim Mustafa. If you want me to do any video about digital marketing, videos like this, just leave it that in the comment section and I'll do a specific video for you. So let's go straight. We are still on the chatGPT by OpenAI. So now let's see what we can do. I want a motivational message to post on my social media, Facebook. So let me just do motivational, write a motivational message for me to post on Facebook. Write a motivational for me when I'm excited, the words are not coming. So I'm just looking to see. Okay. Wow. Wow. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. Believe in yourself and your abilities and take small steps every day to make progress towards your goals. Remember,